silence of the night, echoes of memories moan. Whispers of your laughter, now just echoes in my home. Promises we made, like fragile glass they break, leaving me stranded in this cold, lonely ache. So I'll sing this sad refrain for hearts that bear the pain of love lost in the rain, and dreams that couldn't sustain. Oh, let these tears fall like rain, washing away the stain of a love that's gone in vain, in this melancholy maze. Pictures on the wall, a reminder of our